Your father probably told you this. बेटा, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए LIC पॉलिसी ले ली है. तुम्हारा फ्यूचर सिक्योर है. And you felt safe. Protected. Like a responsible adult was handling your money. But what if I told you that this single financial decision, made with the best intentions, is quietly destroying lakhs of rupees that should have been yours? What if the policy your family trusts blindly is giving you returns worse than a simple savings account? Today, we are going to expose something that LIC agents will never tell you. We are going to do the math they desperately hope you never do. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why millions of Indians are trapped in financial products that benefit everyone except them. I'm not here to attack LIC as a company. They're the largest institutional investor in India. They manage over 40 lakh crore rupees. But there's a massive difference between LIC being financially strong and your LIC policy being good for you. So pause whatever you're doing. This video might save you 10, 20, maybe 50 lakh rupees over your lifetime. Let's begin. Before we destroy any myths, let's understand what LIC actually sells. There are broadly three types of policies. First, endowment plans like Jeevan Anand and Jeevan Labh. These combine insurance with savings. You pay premiums for 15 to 20 years, and at maturity, you get a sum assured plus bonuses. Sounds safe, right? Second, ULIPs or unit-linked insurance plans. These invest your money in markets while providing insurance cover. LIC agents love calling these wealth creators. Third, term insurance. Pure life cover. You pay a small premium, and if you die during the policy term, your family gets the sum assured. If you survive, you get nothing back. Now here's the critical insight. Endowment plans and ULIPs mix two things that should never be mixed. Insurance and investment. It's like buying a car that's also supposed to be your house. It does neither job well. Your parents' generation didn't have options. No mutual funds. No online investing. LIC was the only trusted name. But you live in 2025. You have access to index funds giving 12 to 15% returns. You have term insurance costing 1/10 of endowment premiums. Yet 80% of Indian families still buy the wrong product. Why? Because nobody shows them the real math. Let's do the math that your LIC agent prays you never do. Take LIC Jeevan Labh, one of their most popular endowment plans. A 30-year-old buys this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakh rupees. Premium is approximately 45,000 rupees per year for 16 years. Total money paid equals 7,20,000 rupees. At maturity after 21 years, you get around 13 lakh rupees including bonuses. Sounds profitable? 7 lakhs becoming 13 lakhs? Let's calculate the actual return. Using the compound annual growth rate formula, this gives you approximately 4.2% per year. 4.2%. Now let's compare. Inflation in India averages 6% annually. Your LIC policy is giving you 4.2%. You're literally becoming poorer while feeling rich. A fixed deposit gives you 7%. A debt mutual fund gives 8% with better tax treatment. And a simple index fund has given 12 to 14% over any 20-year period. If you had invested that same 45,000 rupees yearly in a Nifty index fund for 16 years at 12% annual returns, you would have approximately 28 lakh rupees. Not 13 lakhs. 28 lakhs. You're losing 15 lakh rupees to feel safe. That's not security. That's financial destruction happening in slow motion. Now let's talk about ULIPs, the product LIC agents push as a smart investment. ULIPs sound amazing on paper. Market-linked returns plus insurance cover plus tax benefits under Section 80C, triple benefit, right? Wrong. Here's what they don't tell you. In the first year, up to 30 to 40% of your premium goes toward charges. Premium allocation charge, policy administration charge, mortality charge, fund management charge, surrender charge if you try to exit. Let's say you invest 1 lakh rupees in a ULIP. In year 1, only 65 to 70,000 actually gets invested. The rest vanishes into charges. Compare this to a direct mutual fund where 99.5% of your money gets invested from day one. The expense ratio is just 0.5% per year. But here's the real trap. ULIPs have a 5-year lock-in period. You cannot exit without massive penalties. And even after 5 years, the surrender value is heartbreaking. I've seen cases where someone paid 5 lakh rupees in premiums over 5 years and got back only 3,70,000 as surrender value. They lost 1,30,000 rupees while thinking they were investing. This is not unlucky. This is by design. The ULIP structure ensures that insurance companies and agents make money regardless of how your investments perform. You bear all the market risk while they enjoy guaranteed commissions. So what should you actually do? The answer is beautifully simple. Separate insurance from investment. For insurance, buy term insurance. Pure, simple, no-nonsense life cover. A 30-year-old can get 1 crore rupees of term insurance cover for approximately 8 to 12,000 rupees per year. That's it. Compare this to an endowment plan where you pay 45,000 yearly for just 10 lakh rupees cover. Term insurance gives you 10 times more protection at 1/4 the cost. But people resist term insurance because, quote, we don't get anything back if we survive. Let me reframe this for you. Do you buy car insurance hoping to crash your car and claim money? Do you buy health insurance hoping to get hospitalized? Insurance is protection against risk, not an investment vehicle. The purpose of life insurance is to protect your family if you die early. If you survive, celebrate. Your family didn't need that money because you were there to provide. The 8 to 12,000 rupees you pay yearly is the cost of peace of mind. The remaining 30 to 35,000 rupees you save compared to endowment plans? That goes into real investments. Mutual funds. Index funds. Even PPF gives better returns than LIC endowment policies. This simple separation of insurance and investment can literally add 50 lakh to 1 crore rupees to your retirement corpus. Not through magic. Through basic mathematics. I know what many of you are thinking. Bhai, ye sab theek hai, but I already have an LIC policy. My parents bought it years ago. What do I do now? This is where the decision becomes painful but necessary. If your policy is less than 3 years old, surrendering might make sense despite the losses. Calculate how much you've paid versus surrender value. Yes, you lose money. But continuing to pay premiums into a bad product loses even more money over time. It's like realizing you're driving in the wrong direction. The sooner you turn back, the less fuel you waste. If your policy is older than 3 years, you have options. Option 1 is to make the policy paid up. Stop paying premiums. The policy continues with reduced benefits. You don't lose everything, and you free up cash flow for real investments. Option 2 is to surrender and reinvest. Take whatever surrender value you get, invest it properly, and never look back. Option 3 is to continue till maturity only if you're very close to maturity date. Like 2 to 3 years away. The psychological loss of surrendering might not be worth the mathematical gain. But here's my strongest advice. Whatever you decide about existing policies, never buy another endowment or ULIP again. Get term insurance for protection. Invest in mutual funds for wealth creation. Keep these two separate forever. That's the real Mahayukti, the master strategy for building wealth. Let's end with your exact action plan. Step 1. Calculate your insurance needs. Generally, you need 10 to 15 times your annual income as life cover. If you earn 10 lakh per year, get 1 to 1.5 crore term insurance. Step 2. Buy term insurance online. Companies like LIC, HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential offer term plans. Online plans are 30 to 40% cheaper than offline because no agent commission. Step 3. Start a SIP in index funds. Nifty 50 Index Fund or Nifty Next 50. Start with whatever amount you can. Even 2000 rupees monthly. Step 4. Audit your existing policies. List all LIC policies in your family. Calculate actual returns using online KEGA calculators. Make informed decisions about continuing, surrendering, or making them paid up. Step 5. Educate your family. Share this video with your parents. Not to blame them, but to prevent them from buying more wrong products. Agents target senior citizens aggressively. Remember, building wealth is not about complex strategies. It's about avoiding simple mistakes. And mixing insurance with investment is the most expensive mistake middle-class India makes. You now have the knowledge. You have the math. What you do next will decide whether you retire with dignity or struggle. Choose wisely. Subscribe to Mahayukti Finance for more wealth-building strategies designed specifically for Indian millennials. Your financial freedom journey starts today.